Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best ductless air conditioner that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Senvel Series air conditioner. This highly rated model from Senvel comes in a number of sizes, ranging from 9,000 BTUs all the way up to 24,000 BTUs, and it comes in 120 and 230 volt models. It has 4-in-1 functionality, working as an air conditioner, heater, dehumidifier, and fan, and it operates at just 34 decibels, making it an extremely quiet option for a bedroom or nursery. All of its settings can be controlled via the unit's included remote. The air conditioner comes with a 16-foot installation kit, including a communication cable and copper lines, but it's important to note the brand requires professional installation for the unit's 5-year warranty to be valid. Control your air conditioner for anywhere. Moving on at number 4, we have Della air conditioner. This model from Della is a great value, and it still delivers 24,000 BTUs per hour, making it suitable for rooms up to 1,500 square feet. In addition to cooling, this unit has settings for heating, dehumidification, and ventilation, and it has a variety of useful features, including a 24-hour timer, sleep mode, energy-saving mode, and multiple fan speeds, all of which can be adjusted using the included remote control. It comes with a full installation kit, including a 10-foot line set, and it operates between 30 and 41 decibels, depending on the settings. Efficiently heat or cool your space with this mini-split air conditioner. This pre-charged air conditioner unit is designed with a ductless mini-split inverter plus system with a heat pump and dehumidification. At number 3, we have Mr. Cool DIY air conditioner. This ductless, high-efficiency mini-split system is specifically designed for DIY installation, and no special tools are required. It's compatible with Google Assistant and Alexa, and features an auto restart if there's a power outage, leakage detection, and sleep mode on the remote to automatically adjust temperature during the night. The unit heats and cools, with 24,000 BTUs of power and a SEER rating of 20. Operation is also relatively quiet. Overall, it's a great package, albeit a pricey one. The 3rd-gen Mr. Cool DIY units have a low refrigerant alert to help prevent costly repairs. It also has an auto start feature, so in the event of a power outage, when power is restored, your unit will come back on at the previous settings. At number 2, we have Senvel Quad Zone air conditioner. If you want the ability to adjust your air conditioning from your smartphone, this model from Senvel includes built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing it to be operated remotely from an Android or iOS device. It's suitable for large space, thanks to its 4-zone setup and 36,000 BTU output, plus it also has heating, dehumidification, and fan settings. The unit has turbo and quiet modes for even more versatility, and it can automatically switch from cooling to heating based on the ambient temperature. The Senvel air conditioner comes with a 16-foot installation kit, but professional installation is recommended. Enjoy complete climate control with cooling, heating and more. And finally at number 1. Cooper & Hunter air conditioner. If you're planning to install your ductless air conditioner in a large room, this model delivers 36,000 BTUs per hour, making it powerful enough to efficiently cool spaces over 1,000 square feet. It can be used for both heating and cooling, operating in ambient temperatures between 5 and 122 degrees Fahrenheit, and it comes with a comprehensive installation kit. You'll get an insulated and pre-flared 25-foot line set, communication wires, as well as a drainage extension and remote control, and the unit can even be equipped with Wi-Fi if you elect to purchase the brand's USB adapter, sold separately. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.